G2 Series 1.6 to 2-ton sit-on type reach truck for cold chain industry. The truck is suitable for cold chain industry with intermittent between -18 degrees Celsius to -30 degrees Celsius and continuous operation above the temperature of -18 degrees Celsius. It's more suitable for working in narrow space. Overall upgrading of performance. New design of hydraulic system increases lifting speed. New 3-phase AC motor technology improves traveling speed. More professional. Exclusive oils. Exclusive parts. Professional low-temperature treatment. Chains of lifting system. Oil cylinder. Special painting technology for cold storage offers good anti-corrosive and anti-rust performances. Smart features. Auto brake for ramp parking. Auto protection of controller. Electric-powered steering is easy for operation, high efficient and silent. Real-time shifting of steering mode between 180 degrees and 360 degrees. Auto speed limit when steering improves truck safety. Comfortable and ergonomic. The operator has good visibility. Accessible human-machine interface makes operation comfortable. Sealed cap offers good thermal prevention performance. Heating seat. USB interface and heater offers comfortable working environment.